maging mabuting sales agent ka, whatever the scenario or whatever the situation is. Alam nyo, based sa experience ko, pati sa evaluation ko, maraming successful sa sales or maraming successful na sales agent, top sales performer na they are nag-excel or they are excelling for their profession, or hindi nawawala sila sa spotlight just because sobrang galing nilang mag-assist or sobrang ganda ng character nila. Napaka-accommodating, mabait, kind. At the same time, they are willing to do an extra miles para ma-please or ma-servisyon si customer. It's either ang client man, direct client man nila, referral man to ng mga bank manager, bank marketing officers, or even though yung mga freelance business owner ng automotive. Sobrang nagagalingan ako at sobrang I recommend. Sobrang natutuwa ako pag may mga ganong klase ng agent na they are willing to do an extra mile, they are willing to assist kahit maliit lang yung possible na pwede nilang kitain or minsan puntos lang. Kwento ko lang sa inyo guys, way back 2011 when I started in sales, na-experience ko rin kasi yung maging agent na kung saan papasahan ka, i-referan ka ng client ng bank PO, or may magre-refer sa'yo na freelance na sales agent, na kung saan I do extraordinary thing para ma-assist mabuti whatever situation, whatever client, or kung ano man transaction yan. Kasi I do believe na there always a purpose. May purpose si God kung bakit yung tao na yan, na-meet mo, yung kliyente na yan, na-meet mo, or dumating yung client na yan. It's an opportunity for me na maservisyon sila or may bigay yung magandang service ko sa kanila. And that's the reason kung bakit ako naging top salesman from 2011 to 2016, dahil dun sa ganung character. And for me, nakakalungkot lang, majority dun sa mga nakakausap ko na agent is parang they are not willing to assist, lalo na pag ang client is freelance client, or hindi sila ganun ka aggressive or ka enthusiastic pag ang client is magre-refer or kumbaga parang magpapa-assist na lang yung mismong freelance agent or may magpapa-assist sa kanila. Parang hindi sila grateful or hindi sila masaya. And most likely 10 out of siguro 8 out of 10 or 9 out of 10 halos yung ganun na yung na-experience ko. Kaya for me, sabi ko, nakakalungkot, pero maraming ganung sales agent na talagang day after for the income, day after dun sa kikitain nila, hindi for the assisting the client or helping a client. And for me, I'm so honored to meet those agent naman na talagang makita mo, even though points na lang sila, pero they are willing to help and assist the client kahit ano man yung mismong status si client, direct client man yan, or freelance business owner o freelance salesman yan. Sobrang na-appreciate ko sila kasi nakikita ko yung sarili ko sa kanila, unlike dun sa mga agent before na makikita ko yung mga nakasama ko rin sa sales industry, bakit hindi sila tumatagal or hindi sila nag-stay sa company at nawawala at hindi nila makuha yung pick nila kasi they are not willing to assist and help the client. Parang meron silang standard or parang pinipili nila. Pag wala silang kikitain, ayaw nila mag-assist or parang puntos lang sa kanila. Hindi parang hindi sila satisfied pag ganun yung magiging transaction. Unlike dun sa mga agent na talagang makikita mo na they are really excited, they are really kumbaga parang grateful pag maaalala mo sila or bibigyan mo sila ng client, i-referan mo sila kahit napakaliit na lang ng commission. Kasi guys, I will be honest with you, every unit of brand new car na marirelease namin, like for example is pagpalagay na natin is Toyota Fortuner, ang unit com lang po nan is nagre-range lang ng mga 3 to 5,000. Depende pa po kung gaano kalaki yung mismong discount na binigay sa inyo ng agent pag nagagil yung client. Sometimes yung 3 to 5,000 nagiging 2,000 na lang po, or minsan 1K na lang po, or minsan nagiging zero pa po. Kaya hope dun sa mga aspiring sales agent, for me sales is all about helping and serving people. And always, kumbaga parang consider, always always nyo pong tatandaan, always kumbaga as a reminder na si God laging nakatingin. And for me, nakikita ni God kung ano yung desire ng heart mo at ibibigay ni God yung desire ng heart mo kung tama yung nilalaman nito or yung mismong tama yung motibo mo. Kaya guys, for more videos, just follow the Top Salesman. Thank you for watching my vlogs, my videos. Hoping marami kayong natututunan. Advance